But now we also have chili cheese. So you also saw at the back, there's like a chili cheese background. So it's creamy, cheesy. It's like cake.
I like my healthy food. I want it.
Yes. So for those who like that, a little bit of spice. And then of course, golden barbecue. Ooh. So we have a sweet, smoky, tangy barbecue flavor for the more adventurous kind of people here.
So sa mga flavors na itong tatlo, Andres, ano yung... Are you leaning towards something?
If I had to pick, ako talagang di ako mapili sa spice. Kasi the three flavors talaga all very different. You know, if you want something very cool, cool and vibe, you have something like creamy ranch, which is very rich. And then if you want something, something sweet and smoky, and you're feeling kind of old, of course you have golden barbecue, or naman, chili cheese whenever you're feeling adventurous, or if you want a little spice, in your life.
Or parang baka depende on the time of the day, or the mood, or who you're hanging out with.
Yes, exactly. Like what's nice about these flavors is parang based on how you're feeling that day, the vibe you want to have, or the adventure you want to take. You get to choose between three.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jella. Sa pagkala namin, meron na lang naisip ko na ito for that person, ito for this person.
So you can try all flavors. And actually, what's the best part about these two new flavors with our creamy ranch is that it's still at the same affordable price. So we're at 62 pesos for our solo. And of course, we have the drinks, the meal with drinks, and the meal with fries and drinks as well.
Okay, so 67 for the sandwich, and
62
62 oh my God, my God, extra pa ako. I love. Okay, pero kung meal,
Kung meal is 87 with the drink.
isa. Pwede pa, wala ko na 9 pesos.
Yes.
Sulit, sarap talaga, always a job.
Correct. And they have to try it actually very soon because our two new flavors are only available for a limited time. Yes. So you really have to try it.
You heard that, everyone? They're only available for a limited time, so please try to have one and back because it's really a different experience, different vibe.
Sige, try ko na ito kasi hindi mo. Ay, moving on though, Miss Jella, kailangan namin makita ko ito kasi ando po yung mga fan clubs ni Andres here today, and we're so excited to see yung campaign naman that you guys have been working on. So if you can give us, I guess, ano na magpapakita ba tayo finally?
Yes, we will actually be showing the hero with you later on. But I wanted to also say that this campaign is actually something new for Jollibee. So you will see later, medyo may hint na rin here na the vibe is